In this video, we'll be diving into how to add smart sections in Practice Better, a feature that can completely streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. Stay tuned, because we'll also talk about how Practice Better stacks up against other software for similar goals, and give you some alternatives that could be a better fit, all with exclusive free trials you won't want to miss. Let's get started with how to add smart sections in Practice Better. First, log into your Practice Better account and head over to your Programs section. Once there, choose the program you want to modify or create a new one. This is where the magic begins. Next, you'll need to select the Add Smart Section button. This is your gateway to creating personalized, dynamic content that adapts based on your client's responses. You'll notice a range of options pop up, including specific Smart Section templates for things like assessments or tasks. These templates can be modified to match your specific program needs. Now, once you've chosen your template, the next thing you want to do is customize it. Each Smart Section allows you to adjust the logic based on client answers. So, if a client selects a certain answer, the next question, or a set of instructions can dynamically adjust, which ensures that your program stays relevant and targeted. For the fourth thing, let's talk about how to set conditional logic. This is where Practice Better really shines. You can set rules to trigger different outcomes depending on what your clients choose. For example, if a client answers yes to a question about lifestyle habits, you can show them more tailored content or recommend resources. It's about creating that personalized experience. Next, save your section and make sure to test it. Test the program on yourself or a colleague to ensure that the logic works seamlessly. If everything checks out, you're ready to roll out your smart sections to clients. So, now that you know how to add smart sections in Practice Better, let's talk about the software landscape. While Practice Better is a strong option, there are other tools that also deserve your attention. At this point, you're probably wondering which software is best for you. The truth is, Practice Better is a solid choice, especially if you're focused on health and wellness programs. But if you need more robust features or better integrations with other tools, I highly recommend exploring these alternatives. And here's the best part. Through our link, you'll get access to exclusive extended free trials for all the software I mentioned, so you can try them out risk-free and decide which one works best for your needs. Plus, you'll get some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, go ahead, check out the free trials through the link in the description, and take your practice to the next level.